Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, hello my lions. Today we're going to do our Patreon in review for last week, so that if you are a patron and you haven't popped over there, pop over and watch the videos. If you're not a patron, please feel free to join. It's $5 a month and I think that you'll find the videos worthwhile. Okay, last week's videos were on Monday, or the first one of the week was making a commitment to yourself. So it's a little chat about making commitments to yourself and keeping commitments to yourself. The second one on Tuesday was on time management, always a helpful tool. Wednesday was project management, just to go over that project management process. Thursday was pushing through when you just don't want to do it. And the last one of the week is just your imagination, when your imagination takes over, and that can be a good thing and that can be a bad thing. So that's it for today for our Patreon in review. I hope that you do come on over and become part of this more intimate group. I look forward to seeing you. My current patrons, I love you so much. And any new patrons who decide to join, I welcome you with open arms. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.